Alright, this is the subwoofer box I'm replacing. These two Rockford gate P3 shallows. This was just a factory box bought off the shelf at the audio store. And when I say you get what you pay for, don't buy your stuff off the shelf. See that? These almost blew this box apart. Push-in terminals. It's got the back blown off that one. So they don't use screws or anything. I'm thinking glue and brads. But you can see the gapping in there. That's why I'm old school. I use screws, glue, and silicone in all my boxes, ported or sealed. They're built like tanks. There's a down fire setup. See if I can flip it over. That's what it looks like. You can hear it. I don't even know if that's MDF. It's caved in right here. You can see it moving. This is what I'm replacing. I'm not going to do a down fire. I'm going to flip it where the subs are faced up like this. And I'll have the raised ledges on it. That's over the transmission hump, but I think his transmission hump only comes about 1.5 inches and then comes over. So I'll drop that down, make these a little shorter. Alright, I got the subs out. See what kind of box it is, what it fits. You can see brads all the way around. A little bit of glue, I think that's silicone, I think. There's so many pieces in here. And I got a divider in there. See that? Good gauge wire. That's a 12 gauge, but it is not solid at all. But we're gonna fix him up. We're gonna get him right. 210 designs, baby. But you can see the seam that came loose here in the box. All the way down there. All that's pulled loose. It's broke right there. Surely that wasn't done from the factory. That must have happened. I don't know if it was an install or what, but you see the cracks in it. All running through it. These subs may have done it. They may have split this rascal. I don't know. That ain't even MDF. Right there. It's like paneling. Alright, I traced out my subwoofer cutout locations. As you can see, they're offset. It's not dead center. Here's my divider separating the two boxes. But my X is over here, and I've got room here. The reason I did that, just for cosmetics under the seat, he's got a 60-40 split. I didn't want this woofer almost hitting here. I wanted it far over as I could get it here and here. So what I did is traced out my 3/4 all the way around, and then that left me with the interior of the box. Then I measured the diameter of the subs across 13 1/4, I believe. I went up to 14 and measured from the inside here over 14, here over 14, marked my line. Then I made my X. So the center will be here. I'll still have a 1/4 of an inch because I'm going to do a raised lip all the way around the box, just to give it so the subs don't hit the bottom of the seat when it's flexing. And that's how I did that. Alright, there it is. I'm going to do a test run on it. Running it on that AQ 2200.1. Got it on my charger. I've got it turned down low already. And man, I can already hear it. I can feel it. These shallow mounts are no joke. Shallow mounts in your trucks, boys. You ain't try seal? Try it. I'm telling you. You will be excited about it.
Wrong nigga to fuck with and the wrong day to do it. He'll air this bitch out like a motherfucker. Then we
These are faced right up under the seats, so you can imagine what that's gonna feel like for the ladies. Everybody won't go ride with it. Nah. See this, Skipper.
We turn it to the book of the boxed up. Homeboy snake straight fuck nigga. Then it's time.
Yeah, Skipper. Shallow mouse be getting down.
You better get you some.